I went to the Minecraft movie and left in an ambulance. My friends were telling me I had to go to the movie that night because it was about to be the craziest thing I'd ever seen. Eventually, they convinced me, but I honestly had no idea what was about to happen. I hadn't really heard anything about it, and when we got there, I could tell everyone was getting ready for something. The entire theater was full, and everyone was cheering. I thought that was it, but then we got to that scene. I saw everybody take their phones out to start recording, and even stood up. And as soon as he said those two words, it happened. Absolutely everyone in the theater stood up and threw their popcorn in the air, threw their drinks, and started screaming as loud as they could. I couldn't see or hear anything, and they started to form a literal mosh pit behind me. Every guy in the theater was pushing each other and yelling and started falling over the rows into mine. However, someone got pushed directly behind me and ended up taking me down with them. Now I was on the ground in front of all of it, but before I could get up, I suddenly felt a sharp pain in the middle of my face. I tried to scream, but literally couldn't do anything. The lights turned on and police officers were making people leave. They made everyone go home, but I had to go to the hospital. Turns out someone had stepped directly onto the center of my face, completely shattering my nose. Now I can barely breathe and have to get surgery tomorrow.